Hello everyone, welcome to channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS School. I am Saman. Today we are going to do the paper 2H of Mathematics Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. Now in this paper, June 2022, we have discussed until question 16. Now today's discussion is going to be begun from the question 17. Now question 16. Now today's discussion is beginning from the question 16, right? Question 16 is a sex question. They say 100 farmers have goats denoted by G, sheep denoted by S, or chickens denoted by C. Then 21 have sheep, 31 farmers have sheep, 31 farmers have sheep, 53 farmers have chickens, 6 farmers have all three. Then 11 farmers have sheep and goats, 17 farmers have sheep and chickens, 18 farmers have goats and chickens, 20 farmers don't have any of those three, right? Right, now there is a Venn diagram drawn. Again, I will redraw the Venn diagram here. And like this. Then all together 100 farmers. Right, then 100 farmers. Then there are goats, sheep and chickens. Okay, goats here denoted by G, sheep here denoted by S, then chickens here denoted by C. Okay. Then they say first thing, 31 have sheep, 31 have sheep, 31 farmers have sheep. Sheep means here 31. That means the whole ring is 31. This whole ring is 31. Then 53 farmers have chickens. Then 53 farmers have. Then this whole ring is 53. Here you write 53. On the ring you write 53. Yeah, not inside. On the ring. Right. Then 6 farmers have all three. That means all three means a common area for goats, sheep and chickens. That is this one here. This is all three. This is the area count for all three rings. Right. Then 11 farmers have sheep and goats. 11 farmers have sheep and goats. Sheep and goats. That means here. Then this whole area. 11 farmers have sheep and goats. We will put 11 here. Not this inside though, this inside. Okay. 11. Then 17 farmers have sheep and chickens. Sheep and chickens means this. Sheep and chickens means this area, this whole thing. This whole thing, this how much? 17. Therefore, we will put it here, 17. Out of this 17, part is belonging to this area and part of belonging to this area. Okay, then. Then 18 have goats and chickens. 18 have goats and chickens. Goats and chickens. 18 have goats and chickens means this area. Goats, chicken, the common area of goats and chickens is this. How much? 18. There we will put it here, 18. Right, okay. It is 18. Now 20 don't have any. 20 farmers don't have any goats or any sheep or any chickens. 20 farmers is outside. Okay. Now they asked us to complete the Venn diagram. I will complete the Venn diagram here. Okay. Now then here you get this goats and sheep is 11. This 11, part of this 11 is belonging to this. Other part is belonging to this. Then that means 11 minus 6 is 5 here. Other part. Then part of this 17 is belonging to this. Other part is this. This part is 6. 17 minus 6 is here 11. This part. Then part of this 18 is belonging to this. And other part is belonging to this. Part belonging to this is 6. Other part is 18 minus 6 12. Now then we can find this one. And we can find this one, this part, by adding these three parts, because these are three parts of this whole circle, this. Then other fourth part is this. Then you can add these three parts and deduct from this total number. Total number relevant to this whole circle is 53. Then from that 53, if you deduct this part and this part and this, what you get is this part. Therefore, at this 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 11. How much? 18 plus 11, 9, 29. 29. Then this all three is 29. From 53, deduct 29. 53 minus 29. How much? 9 from 13 is 4. Then 1 is taken here. 2, 4 is left here. 2 from 4 is 2. 24. Then this part is 24. Okay. 53. Then this part we can calculate. This is the number of farmers who rear only sheep. Then we can add these three together and deduct from 31. This whole circle is 31. From that whole circle, there are 4 parts. This part, this part, this part, this part. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are given. 4th parts can be found by deducting the 3 parts from the total. Right then 5 plus 6 how much? 11. 11, 11, 22. So all three 11, 20, all three are 22. You deduct 30 from 31, 22. How much? Then 2 from 1 is not possible. Take 1 from this one. 11. 2 from 11 is 9. Here it is 2, 2, 2, 0. That is this 9. Okay. Right. Now we have completed an Venn diagram. And we have to complete this one, this part. For that to complete that one, actually we have to resort to this total, because now we haven't been given this total ring value. We haven't given the number of people who have goats. But in this instance, we have been given the number of people who have sheep, who have 53, who have chicken, all that. They have those two had been given, but we hadn't given the number of people who have goats. Therefore, we have to resort to this 100. We will take here x, putting x, we will write the equation like this. But the equation, this total box is how much? 100 here. Then here this one plus 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 this equals 100. That is the principle. Then you write x plus 5 plus 6 plus actually we don't want that to answer the first one. We don't have to find it. What is the first question they have asked? Complete the part A, then B find NG. N other one is NG means this whole circle they ask. How do you do? To find this whole circle, you deduct this one, this one, this one, this one from 100. Then write first answer, then NG. That is the what? Part B. Part A is drawn here. What is this question number? Question less 16. Okay. Then part N. NG means number of members in G. That means this whole thing. Number of members in this whole circle G. Right? How do you find? You then get this whole thing. Whole thing is 100. From this 100, we deduct. Then all the values not belonging to G are deducted. What are the values not belonging to G? 9, 11, 24, 20. Then 9, 11, 24, 20. All these are not belonging to G. Then you deduct them all. Then you get here 9, 11, 20, 20. Then equals 100 minus 9, 11 is 20 here. Here 20. Here 20, 20, 20, 20, 40. 40, 24, 64. Then 100 minus 64 is 36. Then total number of what we call farmers having goats is 36 NG. Okay. Right. Now we go to next one. All right. Now they say N G intersection S dash. This one dash. Then what is then part B? Part B1 here. Then part B2. What is that? Then we can fill this part. This is this whole thing is now 36. We found it. This 36. Then whole thing is 36. Then we write on the 36. Then we can find this by deducting these 3 from that one. That is here 11, 11, 20, 11, 12 is 11, 12 is 23. 36 minus 23, 3, here 13. This one is also 13 only. Goats. Farmers growing only, sorry, farmers farming only goats. Right. Then 11. Part, sorry, second part. Then second part they say a number of farmers having, sorry, number of farmers not growing any goats, sorry, number of farmers not having any goats or sheep. This means goats, goats, G union, goats union, sheep means farmers having goats or sheep. Then goats union S holding dash means complement of goats union S means whole thing. The complement of whole thing goats union S means farmers not having goats or sheep. Farmers not having goats or sheep. Okay, then having goats or sheep is this whole thing, this circle and this circle. No? Then not having means you accept both the circles and then you have what is left is only this part and this part. Then 24 and 20. Then 24 and 20, then you write here N right, here number of farmers who don't grow, who don't have goats or sheep. This is what it means. Who don't have goats or sheep. Then who don't have goats, sheep or goats, who don't have goats or sheep is this part and this part. Only chickens and not having any of the three. Then how much? 24 plus 20 equals how much? 44. That is the answer. 44 farmers don't have goats or sheep. Okay. Then you get here this one, third part. Right? Let's say N G dash G complement intersection C. What do you mean by that? Farmers having goats That means farmer G means here farmers having goats. Then G complement means farmers who don't have goats and farmers who have chickens. Then here intersection means common. That means farmers who don't have goats but have chickens. Don't have goats. Then we have to the farmers, goats and chicken here. Goats and chicken, this whole thing. Then out of these two, farmers who don't have goats, that means you have to leave all these here. All these things must be excluded. Don't have goats, but have chickens. Don't have goats, but have chickens. Then chickens are there, right? Then don't have goats, but have chickens means this part and this part. Not only chickens, right? But there are farmers having chicken, but from those farmers, there are farmers who don't have goats. That means this part and this part not goats, this part also not goats. Therefore, 24 plus 20, 24 plus 11. That is how much? For 35. 35. Okay. That is done. Now they are the sheath part. What is sheath part? Sheath part is, see, one of the farmers who has chickens is chosen at random. Find the probability that this farmer also has goats. Now they say what? I will erase this part here. I will write the answer here. Right. Now they say what? Part C. They say one of the farmers who has chickens is chosen. What are the farmers who have chickens? These farmers. This one. 50. There are 53 farmers who have chickens. Then you go to this, you ask all these 53 farmers who have chickens to one place. Then you choose one person. Then they say find the probability that that person does have goats also. Then there are 53 farmers. I get all those 50 farmers. I assemble all those 50 farmers to one place, and I ask, how many of you do have goats? I ask these farmers who have chickens, how many of you have goats? Then they say, goats here, this much. They say, we have goats, we have 18 of us have goats. Then these are the number of farmers who have goats. These are the number of farmers. These are the number of goat farming farmers of these 53 chicken farming farmers, right? Then you have to get the number of farmers who have chicken and goats both. Okay. I asked all the 53 farmers to one place who are the 53 farmers who have chickens. I take them to one place, one corner, and ask, okay, right, out of you, how many have goats? Then they say, here, This part got, this part also got. The part of the goat also, right? This part area, the goat circle, and it's a part of the chicken circle. This is also part of the goat, and this is part of the chicken circle also. Therefore, then both these are, they say that 18 of us have goats also. Then out of 53 chicken farmers there are 18 goats also. Out of 53 chicken farming farmers have out of 53 chicken farmers, there are 18 farmers who have goats. Therefore, the probability that a farmer chosen from chicken having farmers the probability that the farmer chosen from the chicken having farmers to be having goats is how much? 18 over 53. This is the answer. Okay. You see how many farmers have goats from the farmers having chickens. We say how many farmers have goats from the farmers having chickens. Farmers having chicken is 53. Then out of that 53, farmers having goat is 18. Therefore, probabilities of choosing a farmer having goats from the farmers having chickens is 18 over 53. Okay, right. That's right. I think that's quite enough. Okay. Have a nice time. See you. And I close this video and wish you to meet another interesting video.